Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a fork of Firefox. Now, with this guide, you should have a fork up and running by the end of this video. So the first thing you need to do is download Python. Now you need to download the latest version of Git in order to clone a repository into any folder that you need. You will need this for later. So go ahead and download it. Now you want to go ahead and select these components here. I already wrote everything down, so I would not forget which ones to use. Now do CMake. Windows. Latest version. Now for workload, desktop development with C++. Now install. This will take some time, so while this is installed, I technically already have it installed, but it is what it is for the tutorial. Now you will want to download and install node.js in order to run JavaScript, which you will need for later. So go ahead and make sure to download JavaScript node.js. Now you will need to install Rust, which you will need for Firefox to work. So go ahead and just paste this command. I will leave in the description. As you see, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to see if there's an update. No update, so we're good. I already have it installed, and now I'm just going to type in clear. Clear is not recognized for some reason, I don't know why, but it is what it is. Now installed as a package, so it's already there. Now for Debian and Ubuntu, you do this in the terminal. Same as well here for Fedora, Arch, Gentoo, and Mac. And BSD, I don't know what that is, honestly. But yeah, these are all the systems that it currently supports. And this is for Windows. Now you want to go ahead and locate Mozilla build inside of your local disk C under this PC. Go into the start shell.bat file. Now do cd your browser, cd gecko dev. Now do .mac bootstrap to set it up. Now press 2. Now we're going to be building it locally on our machine. Now if you don't want to build locally because it will take some time, do artifact build. Now if you do it locally, it will take at least 10 to 20 minutes, at least, depending on the speed of your CPU. So sit back, relax. So I'm gonna pause the video here. Now, after an excruciatingly long time, do .mac run. And now you have your own Firefox fork. Now I want to point out to you guys, first off, make sure you disable your antivirus. I keep forgetting to do it because every time I built it, Bitdefender kept detecting the files it was building as malware. Even though it is not malware, it's from Firefox. So, I don't get it. It's a false flag, and the problem I was having is that Bitdefender was deleting the files it built, causing an error every time I tried to run it. That wasn't my problem, and I figured that out. So yeah, this is now the Firefox Nightly fork. You now have a fork of Firefox on your own computer that you made yourself. This is how you do it. It's incredibly easy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If this tutorial on how to fork your own Firefox has helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. I might make a tutorial on how to make a Chromium browser in the future. So make sure to stay tuned for that in the future. If this has helped you in any feasible way, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.